Is the 2025 milligrams HS Luxury the best value SUV on the market? It's a question worth pondering. It's a bold claim, I know, but let's delve deeper. The automotive world is awash with SUVs promising the moon and stars. Every brand touts their latest model as the ultimate choice. But stick with me, this one might just surprise you. The 2025 milligrams HS Luxury has some unique features that set it apart. We're diving deep into the 2025 milligrams HS Luxury to see if it lives up to the hype. From its sleek design to its advanced technology, there's a lot to uncover. Now, I understand the skepticism. It's natural to question bold claims. MG, a once iconic British brand, is now under Chinese ownership. This transition has been a point of contention for many. This raises eyebrows for some. The change in ownership has led to mixed feelings among enthusiasts. But let's park our preconceptions for a moment. Let's judge the vehicle on its own merits. The HS Luxury is a stylish SUV with a tempting price tag. Its design is modern and appealing. It promises a lot for the money. With a blend of luxury and affordability, it aims to offer a compelling package for potential buyers. The 2025 milligrams HS Luxury is aimed squarely at the heart of the SUV market, designed to cater to both families and individuals who seek a blend of style and functionality. It's where practicality meets a touch of aspiration, making it an ideal choice for those who need a reliable vehicle for everyday tasks but also want to enjoy a bit of luxury. The design is contemporary, with sharp lines and a sporty stance that gives it a dynamic and modern look, ensuring it stands out on the road. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with comfortable seating for 5 adults, providing ample legroom and headroom for everyone, making long journeys a breeze. The dashboard boasts a large touchscreen infotainment system that is intuitive and easy to use, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. It's compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone for navigation, music, and more. Under the hood, you've got a choice of petrol or hybrid powertrains catering to different driving preferences and needs. They offer a good balance of performance and efficiency, ensuring you get the power you need without compromising on fuel economy. But as always, the devil is in the details, with intricate design elements and high-quality materials that elevate the overall driving experience. Choosing an SUV can feel like navigating a minefield. Price is often the biggest factor. Then there's the never-ending list of features. Reliability is another major concern. You don't want to be stuck with a lemon. The 2025 milligrams HS Luxury attempts to address these concerns head-on. Its competitive price undercuts many rivals. The equipment list is generous, even on the base model. But what about long-term reliability? That's something we'll delve into a bit later. The MGHS Luxury offers a choice of 2 engines, catering to different driving preferences and needs. The first option is a 1.5-litre turbocharged petrol engine, designed to provide a balance of power and efficiency. This engine delivers a respectable 160 horsepower, ensuring you have enough power for both city driving and highway cruising. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred driving experience. If you're looking for a bit more oomph and eco-friendliness, there's also a 1.5-litre plug-in hybrid option available. This hybrid model combines the petrol engine with an electric motor, offering a seamless blend of power and efficiency. The total output for the hybrid is a healthy 258 horsepower, providing a more spirited driving experience. On the road, the HS Luxury handles competently with a well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps and keeps the ride smooth. The steering is precise, offering good feedback, and the ride is comfortable, making long journeys less tiring. Don't expect it to set your hair on fire with sports car-like performance, but it's more than capable for daily commutes. It's not a sports car, but it offers a good balance of comfort and practicality. For everyday driving, whether you're running errands or taking a family trip, it's perfectly adequate and